Hi, today I'm going to talk to you about the Enduro batteries that are alternatives to the OEM DJI batteries for their Action Pro series. And this one offers a lot of value. And I'm going to demo it for you, but it comes with three batteries and the charger. So stick around. So, as you can see here, it comes with a charger. It's made of plastic with a USB-C connection on the side and three batteries that can charge all at the same time. And there are lights on the front that will show green or red, depending upon if they're charged up or not. And the nice thing about it is they are 2100 milliamp batteries compared to the OEM battery here, which is only 1950 milliamps. And I've tested it and they do seem to last a tiny bit longer. Um, you don't have to worry about being shortchanged with these, and it just fits in just like normal. I just put it in. Here it goes. It works. So if you're looking for a good value for three extra batteries and a charger, this Enduro charger with three batteries is a great way to go. I highly recommend it. Thanks.